Good afternoon. Today's lecture we'll be building a simple workboat using Bentley modular software. We are trying to build this model of this workboat, 11-meter workboat. The main dimension of this workboat are as shown in this AutoCAD drawing. Okay, let's begin with a new drawing. Okay. The first thing we have to do is to add in a surface. We reset the coordinates axis. When we have done that, we resize this buttock plane. Meter by 2 meter depth, which is depth. For the waterline, we know that the waterline is 1 meter. The waterline of this workboat is 1 meter. So we set this waterline to 1 meter. And readjust the for perpendicular. Okay, this is a side view of the workboat. To construct this model, the side view will have basically 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 control point. 5 control point. At the moment we have 1, 2 control point, so we need to add more. And we have 5 control point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to drop and drag the up control point as well as the forward control point. So we have a general shape from the side, but we know that the height of the deck is 2 meters. So we select everything. Height is 2 meters. Okay. So we have a look from the perspective view. Name this buttock plane side shell. Change the color. This such shell lies on the center line, which means that the offset is 0, but we have a beam of 5 meters, so we need to offset such shell 2.5 meter at the port or starboard. So if you look from the front or body plan, it is right at center. So we need to offset the whole plane here 2.5 meter. So we select all the control point, the control, offset it to 2.5 meter from center line. Okay, and we look from the perspective view, we have to structure. So we need to put in the deck, the bottom, the stem and the transom. Okay. To do that, we just add surface. For the deck is the water plane surface. We change the name, deck, and the color. Okay. To make our modeling easier, we just use half model. So we need to combine these two. So we use the compact command. So select the front point, compact it, this point, height should be 2. So we have a vessel with 2 surfaces. So we add in the stem, using a section plane of the rendering. We compact it, as for this point, it has the same logical position as this point. Same height as this point. Render it. Name the spring, stem, change the color. We repeat the same procedure for the transom. rename the surface. Select a color. Now final part is to do the bottom. To do this, we will duplicate the side shell. Okay, we switch to your profile view. Surface, flip surface. Select the side shell, but we have to uncheck the respect bonding. Set the side shell vertically negative 1.5 downwards. Okay. Then we combine these two edges. We look from the perspective view. We have to move this point to the center line. Which means the offset is 0. These 2 points, the height is 0. This point has similar height as this point. These two heights has the same height as these 2 points. And we have the bottom, and we need to rename the bottom. Just a different color. Before we finish, we have one last thing to do. We must make sure that the arrow is pointing outwards. Arrow is pointing outwards. Okay. We have finished with our model. Thank you very much.